welcome to Maths Club. I am Sabha and I am your maths tutor. Today I will teach you trigonometric identities and I will solve some proof questions related to trigonometric identities. So come to the board. Okay students, first of all I am writing the identities. So first of all I am writing the reciprocal identities. So there are 6 reciprocal identities. As we know that sin theta is the inverse of 1 over cosecant theta, and we also know that cosecant theta is the reciprocal of sin theta. So the reciprocal identity for sin theta is 1 over cosecant theta, and the reciprocal identity for cosecant theta is 1 over sin theta. Okay. Cos theta. The reciprocal identity of cos theta is 1 over secant theta. Similarly, the reciprocal identity of secant theta is equal to 1 over cos of theta. Okay, and tan theta, the reciprocal of tan or tangent theta is 1 over cot theta or cot tangent theta. Similarly, the reciprocal identity of cot or cot tangent theta is 1 over tangent theta. Okay students, these are 6 reciprocal identities which I will use in proof questions, and these identities help a lot us to solve proof questions. Okay, let me write more identities here. Now students, I am writing the 2 quotient identities. First of all, the identity of tan theta or tangent theta. Tan theta or tangent theta is always equal to the sin theta over cos of theta. The second identity is cot tangent theta is equals to cos theta over sin of theta. So students, these are the 2 quotient identities. We will use these identities in our proof questions. Now the third identity we will use in our today's proof questions is the Pythagoras identity. So what are these? First of all, the very basic and easy formula, which is sin square theta plus cos square theta is always equals to 1. So if I want to find out the value of sin square theta, what I need to do? I need to simply shift this cos square theta to 1. So it will become like 1 minus the sine of cos square theta change here. The formula is sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta, or the formula for sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. from a single identity we can generate two more formulas. Like I have generated here the formula of sin²θ. Now I can easily generate the formula for cos²θ. Cos² is equal to 1 minus, I will shift the sin² here, 1 minus sin²θ. So from a single identity we can generate two more formulas. So this is the first identity and this is the very easy identity. Okay, what about the next one? The next one is, let me erase this. I hope you understand this. Okay, the second one is 1 plus tangent²θ or tan²θ is equal to secant²θ. Okay, so this is the formula or identity when we want to convert secant² into tangent. Okay, so if we want to find the formula for tangent²θ, what will we do? Simply we just shift the one on the other side, like secant² θ minus 1, because the one here has positive sign and now the sign is converted now into negative sign. Okay, so the formula for tangent²θ is equal to secant² minus 1. We can also generate another formula, like if I want to shift the secant² here, or if I want to shift the tan² here, like similar, like this, 1 is equal to secant² θ minus tangent² θ. Okay, this is the another formula and we will use this formula in our proof questions as well. So from a single identity we can generate two formulas. Okay students, I am going to write the third Pythagoras identity. Okay, the third Pythagoras identity is 1 plus cot² or cotangent² is equal to cosecant or Cosec². I can generate two more formulas from this as well. What I will do, if I need the value or if I want the formula of cot², what will I do? I just shift the one on the other side or on the right side. So cotangent or cot² is equal to Cosec² minus 1. Similarly, we can generate another formula from this, which is 1 is equal to cosecant² minus, now I want to shift this on the right side, so cot². As it has positive sign here, whenever anything shift on the other side, the sign will change. So it has positive sign here. When it shifted on the other side, on right side or on the is equal to side, then the sign is negative now. So students, these are the three identities for Pythagoras. Now I need to teach you questions related to these identities. Okay students, I have a very easy question here, which is sin² multiplied by cot² is equal to cos². What I need to do, I need to make this value, or I need to convert this value to cos². So for this purpose, I am taking this side, this is left hand side, and I am writing here taking left hand side. Here I am writing the short form of left hand side. Okay, sin² into cot of theta. Now I need to use the identity here. Which identity? The two identities of quotient or quotient identities. The second quotient identity was cot of theta is equal to cos theta over sin of theta. Okay, so I'm writing here sin theta multiplied by cos of theta over sin of theta. These both signs cancels each other. How they cancel each other? Because this sign is multiplying and this sign is dividing. Whenever two same things are multiplying and dividing each other, the two things can cancel easily each other. So what I get? I get here cos of theta. So I have converted this sin theta cot theta to cos of theta. So this here I can write left hand side is equal to right hand side. So we have proved. Now students, I have a question here. Cot² theta over 1 minus sin² theta is equal to cosec² theta or cosec² theta. Okay, I need to convert this side into cosecant square of theta. So what I will do, I'm just taking left hand side. So cot² theta over 1 minus sin² theta. Okay, now I am going to put quotient identity here and Pythagoras identity here. So what was quotient identity for cot of theta? Cot of theta is equal to cos theta over sin of theta. And what Pythagoras identity I should use here? So I am using the first Pythagoras identity, sin² of theta plus cos² of theta is equals to 1. But here I need to know this value is equal to what value. So I am just shifting the sign there. So cos² theta is equals to 1 minus sin² theta. Okay, I am putting the identities here. I'm just simply erasing these parts. Okay, to put the identities. Okay, so as I know that cot² theta upon 1 minus sin² theta. Okay, and what is the formula of cot? Cos theta over sin theta. Okay, cos² theta over sin² theta over, and this value is equal to cos² theta. Now cos² theta. Okay, now I am erasing the formulas. You can note these formulas if you want. Okay, so I'm simplifying this cos² theta over sin² theta. Okay, as cos² theta is dividing here, I'm just putting like this. Now I am converting the divide sign into multiply. Multiply by 1 over cos² theta. Okay, this cos² theta is multiplying and it is dividing, so we can easily cancel them. What I get here? 1 over sin² theta. Okay, now I need to use here one more trigonometric identity, which was reciprocal identity. So sin is the reciprocal of cosecant. So here I am just simply putting cosecant square theta. Now I have converted this value into cosecant square theta. So left hand side is now equal to right hand side. So I have proved this question. I hope you understand this question very well. Now I am going to teach you more questions. If you want to copy, you can copy it. Okay students, the question is now Cosec²X our CotX is equal to CosecX and multiplied by SecX. Okay. We can convert any side. We can convert right side to the left hand side, and we can convert left hand side to the right hand side. Whatever side we find the complex one, we need to convert that side. So this side as left hand side is complexer than the right side, so I need to convert the left side into right side. Okay, now I'm just writing here, taking left hand side. If you want to take the right side, you can take right side as well, taking left hand side. Okay, so Cosec²X our CotX. Okay, now here I need to use two trigonometric identities. For CosecX, I need to use the reciprocal identity. So, and for CotX, I need to use quotient identity. So, for Cosec, I am writing the identity here as CosecX is the reciprocal of 1 over sin x. This is the reciprocal identity. And CotX is equal to cos x over sin x. If you want to copy these formulas, you can copy them. Okay, so this is the reciprocal identity and it is quotient identity. Okay, I am just putting the these are two identities here. Okay, Cosec²X is 1 over sin²X over. Okay, what about CotX? CotX is cos x over sin x. Okay, so I'm going to erase this part as I have put the formulas. Okay, so I'm just simplifying 1 over sin²X and the values dividing with 1 over sin²X, cos x over sin x. Now I'm converting the divide sign into multiply. So sin²X multiplied by sin x over cos x. Okay, this sign can cancel one sin x from here. So I have here the value of 1 over sin x multiplied by cos x. Okay, so okay, now I need to use two more identities here, but here I am going to use the two reciprocal identities. Okay, for this purpose I am erasing this part. I hope you understand it well. Okay, so just okay, so as I know that 1 over sin x is the reciprocal of cosec x and 1 over cos x is the reciprocal of sec x. So I'm just putting in this side, like now what I will have, cosec x into sec x. Now I have converted the left hand side into right hand side. This question is very easy. We just need to focus on the identities, which identities we need to use in which part. Okay, so this question is very easy. Now I am going to teach you another question. You can copy it if you want, or if you want to see my video again, then you can see this question how many times you want. Okay, now I'm going to teach you another question. Okay, I have a very easy question here. I need to convert this side into 1 minus 2 sin²β, or if you want to convert the right hand side to left hand side, you can do. Okay, so I'm just taking left hand side. Cos²β minus sin²β. Okay, now I need to focus the right hand side because I want to check if the right side is in cos or sine. You can see it is in the sine. Okay, if your answer is in the sine, then you need to convert the cos. But if your other side is in cos, then you need to convert the sine. Here, the right hand side is in sine, so I need to put the formula of cos. Okay, so which identity I need to use here? I need to use the first Pythagoras identity, which was sin² plus cos² is equal to 1. So I need to put the value of cos. So cos² is equal to 1 minus sin². I am putting this value in the place of cos. So 1 minus sin² beta minus sin²β. Okay, here as I have beta angle here, so I need to put the angle beta. Don't get confused with the angles because angles are just, you can put any angle you want. You can put x, you can put alpha, you can put gamma, you can put phi, any angle you want. But the question, you should use the angle which is in the question. Because if I put here the theta, I cannot solve the question. Okay, so I'm just opening the bracket. Okay, so you can see these two signs are same, and in math or algebra, whenever you have two similar signs, you can easily add the values. So here I'm just putting 1 minus 2 sin²β. You can see I have easily converted this value into this value. So left hand side is equal to right hand side and proved. Okay, it is an easy question. Now I'm going to teach you another easy example. Okay, I have a very easy question here. Okay, I can do any side. Here I am taking the right hand side, taking right hand side. Sec²θ plus 5. Okay, I need to convert the secant into tangent. So to do this, I have one more Pythagoras identity here, which is 1 plus tan²θ is equal to secant²θ. I'm just putting that identity here. So 1 plus tan²θ plus 5. Okay, you can see how much the question is easy. So I'm just adding 5 and 1, then tan square theta plus 6. Okay, you can see I have easily converted this question. This question is very easy. Okay, so here right hand side is equals to left hand side proved. So students, today I taught you 3 different types of trigonometric identities, and I have taught you 5 questions related to trigonometric identities. Okay students, I hope you find the 5 questions I have taught you today and 3 trigonometric identities very easy and helpful for you. In my next video, I will teach you some complex questions related to these 3 trigonometric identities. So if you have any question, any simple, complex or any level question like O level and A level question related to trigonometric identities, or if you want to learn any other topic, you can comment down below. And you can contact me on my email address. I am mentioning my email address in the description box below. And you can also contact me on Instagram. I am mentioning my Instagram here. So if you like my video, subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video. Bye.